Hungarian Hiccups.
Art by Henri Rousseau. And music by Johannes Brahms. Way to go, Rocket! This is spectacular! Great flying, Rocket! Yeehaw! Hi, I'm Leo, and this is our best friend, Rocket. Today, Rocket is going to be in the Great Sky Race. Rocket, there's the starting line. Whoa, look at the planes.